So what is up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be unboxing one of the most awaited mid-range smartphones of the year 2021, and it's the Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's start with the unboxing. On the box we have the model on the top, and then on the below we have the Samsung logo, and on the next side we have the phone's model once again. On the back we have nothing, and on the top there's a sticker of the TRCSL, and finally on the bottom we have the color variant with the RAM amount, storage, IMEI number and more details. So let's hop on to the unboxing. So once opening, we have the phone on the top, and let's first take the paperwork. Here we have the SIM ejection tool, and inside we have the warranty card and the quick start manual. So yeah, let's take the phone out. Wow, that's a nice improvement for the Galaxy A52. Let's keep the phone aside and let's check the other things in the box. So you get the USB Type-C and a 15-watt charger. Although the phone supports 25-watt fast charging, you only get the 15-watt charger in the box. So yeah, these are the things which we got in the box, and sadly no headphones in the box this time. And now let's have a look on the phone. So finally, the A52. So in the front we have the selfie camera, and on the back we have a quad cam setup, and it has a matte finish on the back. So here we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and then the Type-C charging port. Next to that we have the microphone, and then at the right side corner we have the speaker. Then over this side we have the power on and off button and the volume up and down button. And finally on the top we have the SIM slot and another mic. So let's boot up this bad boy. So I'm gonna set up the phone. Till that, let's have a look at the specs of it. Here it is. Okay, so let us check the Android and the One UI versions. Wow, we have got the latest firmware, One UI 3.1 and Android 11. That's cool. So let's check on the next big thing of this device, and that's gonna be the 90Hz refresh rate. As you can see in this settings page that we can choose either 60 or 90Hz. In default, it's 90Hz. Okay, now let's have a look at the cameras of this device. So this is the cool camera UI. I'll be doing a complete camera review, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. Till then, have a look at these shots taken from this device. And finally, we have the new and improved in-display fingerprint scanner, which is way better than the previous generation. Also, another awesome feature is that this phone comes with an IP67 water and dust rating, so don't think twice to take your phone into the pool. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hope you all loved it, and don't forget to subscribe as many new A52 contents will be coming in the near future. And as always, see you guys in the next one.